Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I shall be teaching you how to cut and sew this beautiful batwing bubu. The material is folded into four, and we insert the dress length measurement. The dress length measurement we'll be using here is 60 inches. We place that, we mark it. Then the next line we're going to be putting all the vertical lines. This is the waistline. The next line is the hip line. So also we shall also require other lines as well. But this is the fundamental of what you want. Then the we go down. We go down by we go down at the knee line and rule the knee line. So in between the knee line, that is where our curve is going to start from. So we now go to the hem. We get to the hem, which the hem we are going to be using 15 inches as the hem opening. We mark that 15 inches up to the knee line. Then it will curve at the midpoint of that knee line. You see the way it's been marked. It curved up to the knee line. So you are going to draw a curve from that midpoint down to the hip line. Curve it out that way. See, this is you see back to the shoulder line. We insert our neck depth. Our neck depth we're going to be using is 3 inches. Then we're also going to rule a horizontal line. Then at the shoulder line, we're going to make a neck width of 3 inches. Then we rule another line so that it will be perpendicular. Then we curve it out using this method. This is our front. This is our front neckline. Then the other one is the back neckline with neck depth of 1.5 inches. So we proceed to cutting it out. If we are cutting it out, first of all we cut out the back pattern. So if you've cut the back pattern, you notch the neck width so that when you're cutting it, it will be easier for you. Then you proceed to cut. Finally, you cut everything out. You see, it's as simple as this. So this is your bat wing bubu. If you finish that, what is just left is shape it to your desired taste. It all depend on how you want it. Then get back, unfold it, and make sure it's aligned. Then you cut out the front neckline as shown in the video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You see that it's not as hard as we thought. Then also what we are now doing is that we are going to impute because this is a boo-boo, but you have to make it, you have to inward, there is these stitches you are going to make, you have to mark it. So we are coming back to put some of the vertical measurement that we didn't put, like the chest line. We're not going to use the chest line, we're going to use the bust line, so which is 10 inches because it's a very free dress. So we use for the bust line of 10 inches. So on the bust line, we're going to put the chest measurement. Our chest measurement is 36. So here we are marking 9. With this, you mark that 9. Then you go to the waist. Our waist is 30. So divide by distance. Divide by 4 is 7.5 plus 1 inches. That's 8.5. We'll mark 8.5. Then our hips is 40 as well. Then we mark 10 and and bring it out this way. So what you are going to do is that so you are also going to do it at the same. You flip the material and do the same thing in the other side. So when you've done that, what you are going to do now is you are going to sew that part. You are going to sew it together. See, you are still going to mark it, like I said. You are going to mark the way it is in the other side. You are going to mark it, then you present it so that when it will be, even though if it's boo-boo, inward it will bring out the person's shape, even if it is a big cloth. So this is your simple method of drafting your boo-boo. This what you did in the other side is what you're also doing here. You're putting it on your bust measurement, your waist measurement, and your hip measurement. Bring out the shape, then take it to your sewing machine and sew it together this way. So this is it. So you just stop, maybe you just go up a little by 3 inches upward. So that's it. So on the other side too, you do the same thing so that when you wear this clothes, even despite its boo is you are going to be very, you feel sexy on it. So we are cutting out the neck pattern, the front neck, or the front neck. So the front neckline. So this is what we are doing. We cut out the front neckline as this. Take it to your sewing machine, then add the trims of your choice. Then if you also like, also if the neck is not too wide like our own, we made it turtleneck and then we inserted zipper at the back. So it all depends on what you want, so or how you want it. So, but if you might even make it a zipless, you can also make it a zipless a zipless bubu. Thank you very much for your time. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.